Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be focusing on some interior changes from KDezines and Fiddle-Fart Fabrication. And let me tell you, these changes really change the interior of Foxbody drastically. I think you're going to like it. So let's go. In case you're wondering, the car is going on jack stands so that I can take the wheels off so that I can do some touch-up work on the paint. I don't want to get paint on the wheels. So I figure I was just going to take this whole thing out, and then what I'll do is I'll take it home and we'll scuff it up and paint it. Later on, I plan on putting in a JBL spare tire subwoofer. It has an option you can tie into these speakers here, tie into one of your rear speakers to get your low signal. And so while these are out, I'm going to choose one of the sides and actually tie into this, and then have the wire laying out here ready to go.
It never happened.
But we're gonna put some sound deadening all back here, all through this area. I'm gonna take the spare tire out since I don't need it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out for now, and then when I put the SVE sound deadening on, then I'll put this back. It's crunchy. My plan is to possibly get a JBL subwoofer that fits in here. It's designed to fit into the spare tire area, and put it on top here to add a little bit of bass to the music. Not overwhelming, right? So just enough. this is the original cover for the hatchback from the Black Widow. It's the color of the interior, scarlet red. And as you guys know, these are really hard to come by. And so people are actually selling these $400 or $500 on eBay, which is utterly ridiculous. But anyway, I still have it. It's not gonna go back in yet, because as you know, still have the rear seat delete to put in. Look what I found. I found the original tail lights from the Black Widow, the original cheese grater lights, or lenses, I should say. I'm actually considering putting them back on the Black Widow. They seem to be coming back, and actually, they're kind of growing on me. So, might wind up putting them back. Never know. This plastic is called the moisture barrier. It's the original moisture barrier. See, it's got the part number, and it's got the date, June 22nd, 1989. So it's the original moisture barrier. That's why the dude put the tape around here. He's trying to keep the original moisture barrier in here. So I don't know if I want to replace the moisture barrier or what. Hey, did you catch that? I forgot to put on the insulation on the door panel itself. So I did go back later and actually put that on. So I had to take off both door panels, put that on, and then reinstall the door panels. But it did get done right the second time.